Hello. So the way that you would access an Ovid ebook or an EBSCO ebook is you need to go to the from off campus. You need to go to the NYCC website, click on the quick links, and then either go to your faculty portal or your student portal. So I'm going to go to my faculty portal. And that's going to ask you for your username and password. Make sure you put that in right here. Click login. And then over here on resources where it says library, click on that. And so you do the same exact thing if you're just searching for any of the articles or journals. And make sure you go to LibGuides. Always use LibGuides. Okay. But what's different here is right here you're under the helpful resources. For the particular book that you asked for, it's an Ovid resource. So you would click on eBooks Ovid. You do that. And then it's going to ask you for your portal username and password, which you put that information in. Click login. And then you get to the Ovid ebooks, all the ebooks. And then you can see yours is right here, the differential diagnosis and management. So you click right on that. And now you have access, excuse me, to the ebook. So if you look over here, you see there's an introduction. You have part 1. You're going to want to click on these little plus signs, and it'll give you the different chapters. And then I'll just pick one. You click on chapter 10, so on and so forth. So you'll be able to access everything again right from the LibGuide and going to ebook Ovid. If you have any problems or any questions, please definitely send us another email. Okay, thank you. Good luck and stay safe and healthy.